I have divided the course into 3 modules. In module 1, we're gonna set up a Django project and we're gonna talk about the models, serializer views and URLs in Django Rest Framework. And then we are going to test our endpoints with Postman. In the second module, we will set up an Angular project. We will talk about the components, services and so on. Then we will establish a connection between the front end and the back end. And we will handle the HTTP requests like get, post, delete and update. In the last module, we are gonna dig into authentication stuff. So we will create a token-based authentication to secure the communication between our front end and our backend in Django Rest Framework. In this course, we will utilize an API to create an application for cataloging books, where the backend will be developed using Django Rest Framework and the frontend using Angular. The application will be run on 2 different local servers and will communicate with each other. Our application will have functionalities such as user registration, login. Its main page will be a list of books displaying titles, authors and categories. Users will be able to get the list of books, add a new book, delete and select book, and also update a selected book. This practice will give us an opportunity to test all CRUD operations. Additionally, we will become familiar with the Django Rest Framework panel, where we will browse our endpoints and also perform CRUD operations from the panel. With the help of Angular and Bootstrap, we will create the front end of our application. We will learn how to create reactive forms and capture values from inputs. We will create new components and services to handle HTTP requests to our backend application. We will familiarize ourselves with Postman, where we will test the endpoints we have created and practice all CRUD operations, as well as verifying login and registration requests for new users. In the final module of our course, we will center our attention on authentication using tokens. We'll put into practice the previously mentioned login and user registration functionalities, delve into how Django manages tokens, and experiment with incorporating tokens into the local memory on the front end of our application. This course, as a whole, will offer a deeper comprehension of the interplay between backend and the front end, making it easier to work with the API-driven application.